What's up, everybody? Today is day 3 of converting this into a fruit forest, native fruit forest. I just got done to applying for more jobs. Let's see if they hear back. Today I applied for Terminix. They had some customer support remote listing. And also, I got a new saw. It's 6 inches. Obviously not too much of an upgrade. My last saw that I was using was my neighbor's, and I had to give it back. So I got on Facebook last night, saw somebody selling a saw. I was like, I want it. Let me come get it. And yeah, so hopefully this thing can uh-oh, I need to tighten it. I think it should be okay. It should be okay for just a little bit, right? Let's see what I can do here. It should be okay. But yeah, alrighty. I'm gonna get started, and I'm gonna try to cut down some bigger ones today. Hopefully this doesn't kill me, because the chain is kind of loose, but not that loose. Alrighty, let's go. I just want to say that this thing is freaking awesome. So, $35 well spent. My dog is barking in the background right now. I'll probably show you her another day. Okay. Yeah, the chain's loose. I can't use it no more. Or I guess I gotta be done for right now. I gotta tighten this chain or it's gonna kill me. See, it's not even on track. So yeah. But yeah, 10 out of 10 overall. Whatever this is. EED. It's definitely good for 35 bucks. Facebook Marketplace. But yeah, again, just want to show you all the carnage. The easy part, I think, is honestly cutting down the trees. The hard part is moving the trees that are already down. And as you can see, there's a whole lot left. A lot. And again, I'm just going to keep on doing this until I get a remote job. And y'all won't see me anymore. Or maybe I never get a remote job, and y'all will see me every day until I'm dead. Maybe not that long, but let's see where this takes me. Just want to show y'all my doggy Luna. Say hi, Luna. Come here, Luna. Hey, Luna. She has to stay in the fence because, you know, she a bad doggy. She will run off if she ever gets out, and she won't come back. And she'll come back, but after she terrorizes the entire neighborhood. And yeah, that's about it. Alrighty, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.